This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Stacie Powell. Darling townhome located in the heart of the Chicks Beach corridor. Just blocks from beach, walking and biking trails and Chesapeake Bay Nature Park and boat ramp. Mariner's Landing is a vibrant and friendly beach townhome community with no condo or community fees. Enjoy the master bedroom with private balcony. Nicely updated kitchen with all appliances included. Laminate wood floors on first level, HVAC replaced 2017, replacement windows. For more information, review the details below.